Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate monday.com with Entra ID SAML, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the admin section by clicking on your profile icon in the lower left corner. In the admin menu, select the security tab. Locate the single sign-on SSO option and click on it. You will see a button labeled Add SSO. Click on that button to begin the configuration process. In a new tab, log into your Entra ID account. Once logged in, go to the Enterprise Application section in the left sidebar. Click on New Application at the top of the page. Select Non-Gallery Application to create a custom SAML application. Enter a name for your application, such as monday.com. Click Add to create the application. After the application is created, you will be taken to the application's overview page. In the overview, find the Setup Single Sign-On section and click on it. Select the SAML option from the available methods. In the SAML-based sign-on settings, find the Identifier Entity ID field. Copy the entity ID from the monday.com SSO configuration page. Paste it into the Identifier field in Entra ID. Next, find the Reply URL, Assertion Consumer Service URL, field. Copy the Assertion Consumer Service URL from monday.com. Paste it into the Reply URL field in Entra ID. Scroll down to find the Sign-on URL field. You can enter your monday.com login URL here. Locate the User Attributes and Claims section. Click on Add New Claim. In the Name field, enter email. Set the source to attribute and choose user.mail. Go back to your monday.com SSO configuration. Upload the SAML certificate where prompted. Save your changes to complete the setup in monday.com. To finalize the integration, go back to Entra ID and click on Preview the application. Test the SSO by logging out and logging. If everything is configured correctly, you should be able to access monday.com seamlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.